Today's video, we're going to be working on this microwave. Issues that often happens, especially with this specific microwave. If you look here, you can see that there's a little tab that comes off this grill assembly that is secured here by a screw and a metal support bracket. You can see here as well. And what happens is over time, just due to age and constant use, eventually the grill assembly and the little clips right here end up breaking off, and this is what you're left with. Really your prerogative as to how you want to go ahead and approach this. You can purchase a grill assembly, and I believe the price is anywhere between $20 and, depending on your make and model, $50. But I just think that it's best if you're able to save a homeowner, save yourself, save a company money, then you want to be able to do the repair without having to spend the extra money and just doing it in a way where it's professional and clean looking. Guys just literally take some glue and kind of glue it on there, and then they secure it and tape it. I just don't think that's professional, especially if you have to come in here. You have a filter that needs to be replaced. You can see this one hasn't been replaced in a while. And you can see we have a lot of components here that we still need access to. So we don't want to glue it. Some people, they just take tape and they tape it. So I'm going to show you a quick tip that you can do. And this is for mostly any make and model that you come across where you can do this. Here, this is a Frigidaire. The Frigidaire comes with these tabs as well. Your microwave. See here, this is where the old insert and tab was. But I also have this little tab here as well as this side as well. So what I want to do is I want to see if we can just do a small pilot hole right through the microwave and right into this insert to give it a nice secure hold. I have these little corners here as well that we could use for support. As I said, it's really how you want to go about and do your repair. If you find that you're not as experienced, the reason I prefer these is because it gives you just a little more extra room for error. You have this much of a tab, whereas this one you have to be a little more precise when you're drilling through. Here, I'm just using my drill. I have a small pilot bit, and you're just gonna go real slow. Let the drill do all the work. You don't have to put a lot of pressure. You can see I'm barely even putting pressure on my drill. I'm just going right in. Too much pressure, what's going to happen is while you're drilling, you're gonna actually break the little tab, the little insert that we're trying to use to secure our grill cover. I did the same on this little corner here. And again, as I said, because you don't have that much of a tab, you do have to get pretty close to the frame. Whereas on this one, I drilled the hole pretty similar to where the old screw was. Drilled my pilot. Here I just have a self-tapper. I'm just gonna use this to go slowly into the frame of the microwave and grab the little plastic insert on the grill cover. Going very slow, we're not applying too much pressure. The corner one with the smaller insert on the tab. Just go slow. We'll use our screwdriver just to fasten it. Need to, don't be afraid to use a measuring tape. The insert in the back, you can see here, these are where the old screws were, and it just kind of lines up much better versus being off to the side. Wave back in. This video was a help. If it was informational, please subscribe.